Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mince pie slices. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the base. So to make your pastry, grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your sugar and egg and whisk the two together until they are well combined. Once they're well combined, you can then set aside until needed later on. To make the main body of the pastry, grab yourself a food processor and place in your dry ingredients, which are the flour and salt, followed by the butter. Then pulse everything together until it is combined. You will notice that the mixture goes from a pale white to a much more yellowish colour, and this is what you're looking for. Don't over mix it too much at this stage. Then go ahead and add in your sugar and egg mixture and pulse until the dough starts to form, and it should come pretty well together before you stop mixing, but be careful not to over mix. Give the dough a brief knead and then bring it into a smooth, kind of circular shape. Cut it in half and use half for this recipe and use half for something else. So grab your cake tin, which has been lined with parchment paper, and start to spread and level out the pastry so you have a good base. It may look like a lot, but trust me, it's not. It's the perfect amount for this recipe. I just got in there with a cranked palette knife just to make sure that I've got the more even and level. Then bake that in the oven. So while that's in the oven baking, you can go ahead and make your frangipane filling, which is really simple. You place all of the ingredients into a bowl and just whisk until you have a frangipane batter, which is similar to cake batter, but it's made with an almond base rather than a flour base. So once the base has been baked, you can go ahead and top that with roughly about a jar of mincemeat. You may need more or less, but I use around a jar. Spread and level that out until you have a consistent layer. Then you can go ahead and top the mincemeat layer with the frangipane and just get that spread out and as level as possible. It may not look like a super thick layer, but don't worry, this is a perfect amount for this recipe again. Then as an optional finish, scatter over some flaked almonds and then place into your oven and bake it off. Here's what it looks like once it's been baked and fully cooled. As you can tell, it doesn't look like anything special, but once you cut into it you can see the layers and it's all in the layers. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, links to my blog and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.